That sounds like the ice cream truck.
It does!
Oh, boy! Where is it?
That's funny. It sounded like it was right outside. That sounds like a garbage truck. You're right. And it sounds like it's coming from over there.
Julie!
How did you do that?
I used my cassette player to record sounds in the neighborhood. Pretty neat, huh? You sure fooled us.
Sure
There are all
did.
kinds of sounds on here. Would you like to hear some more?
Sure, I'd love to.
Sure.
Oh,
Does anybody know what that is?
That sounds like a saw.
Right, that's my grandfather sawing wood.
that's a bouncing ball.
You guessed it, it's my neighbor playing basketball.
Saw. What was that?
The sound of a newspaper being thrown into our front yard.
Huh?
That's not a newspaper. He recorded that whistle.
That sounds like Barney.
Oh, you're right, Jason. Hi, everybody. Oh, my. Sounds like you're all having fun. Oh, I just love guessing sounds, especially silly sounds. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be.
Is everybody full yet? You're not? Then let's have a little more. If all the snowflakes were candy bars and milkshakes, oh, what a snow that would be! Standing outside with my mouth open wide.
If all the snowflakes were candy bars and milkshakes, oh, what a snow that would be.
Okay, everybody, let's make this the loudest one yet.
Yeah!
All the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide. All the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops,